we just saw that what we can do here, let's start again, yeah, whatever, and then something, we can copy a formula, so I can just copy here and then paste it here, of course, yeah, then again paste it here. So there you go. Instead of doing that, there's an easier way. So what you can do, imagine that it doesn't, let's go like that. So again, instead of doing copy and then selecting and pasting, what you can do is click on the formula, then take your mouse and let it, do you see the rectangle here, the square, sorry, the black square, and when I leave the mouse on top of it, it becomes a cross. So there you go, look, there you go. So I can drag the cell like that, and there you go, works like a charm. Let's see it again. Click on the cell, on the formula, so let the mouse become a cross, there you go, and then drag and drop. This is how you can copy paste formulas. So what happens when we've got text and we drag a cell, see like that, you drag, what it does, it copies the text in the first cell. So what happens when we have a number, click, drag, and there you go. You can see already from the preview that it's going to create a list of numbers, and each time there's going to be it's going to be +1. So it doesn't matter where you start from. You can start from 5 and then drag, and it's going to be always +1. Again, you can do whatever you want, start from 20. So it's quite practical when you've got a series of numbers. Even with something like this, it's going to do the same thing, so +1. So what happens when I want something like this? Oh, sorry. I want a series of numbers from 1 to 19 or 21 with a step of 2. If I start like this, it's not going to work because it's always +1. What I can do is give the first 2 numbers of the series, select, so it knows that from 1 to 3 there's a difference of 2, so I have to select both, do not forget, select both cells, and then like this. So you know it works. See that it works. So if I want 1 and 4, and then again it's going to do the same thing. So it's quite practical when you have to type data. You don't want to type 1, 2, 3 from 1 to 100, for example. Again, with text, it does the same text. However, if I've got, for example, something like this, and I take both, is going to recreate the same original cells. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then it starts from the beginning. This works even with dates. So it's October 10, 11, 13, etc. So it works even with dates, and I suppose it's going to work with hours, with the date, sorry, with the hour, yeah. This means that the cell, the width of the column is too short for the content of the cell to be displayed, so you have to do something like this, and then you see that it doesn't work with the hour. So there you go. And in the next tutorial we're going to talk about customized lists.